like that is cheating because mine look damn a lot. But we have, still got 30.
I kind of know what you buy already. I'm more interested in what you buy.
She said she can fit and she decided to buy it from my house.
I bought so many, I don't need wash hair already. Okay.
Hello! We are trying at Chong Qing and we bought tons of Taobao items. So it's time for us to do unboxing video. Okay, John is there judging at the background.
Can see him.
Can see him. First up. Actually my item is all quite lame because it's a very small item, so I think right, it's not worth my time to wait to ship to Singapore. So I just shipped to Chong Qing since we are here, right? My very first item is so basically this is for like toothpaste squeezing clamp.
So my first item is actually like a clipper. I think something to just clip like because I'm very petite in size, so can clip, you know, the length of the ends of the jeans or the pants. Yeah, goodbye.
Same as lame as mine. I thought you buy a lot of great items. We both got like around 12 items. What is this? I can't remember what I got. Oh, this is actually I think I'll get killed by John if he know I buy this. But basically, right, I have a colleague, like work bestie now, right? She has been telling me that you have to pinch your nose so your nose will get sharper. And under her influence, I got this item to put it on when you sleep so that your nose gets sharp, like shaped sharper.
Really?
I really wonder also.
Is it?
Yeah, must put 30 分钟I
Wait,
think.
can breathe, man?
No, this one is the nighttime. So nighttime can breathe. Daytime you don't have to breathe.
Okay, so my second item is this Judy doll. Yeah, Judy doll must buy in China. So
I thought you would go to the shop and buy it.
Yeah, but because I already know what I want, so I feel like why not just get.
I like the mascara.
Yeah.
I keep opening, I just find myself buying a lot of lame items. But this is for John, it's not even for me actually. Such a great wife. But basically John used Dr. Andrea and then they have this key thing that is not working. I've been watching those like weird shit videos. So they actually have this clammer to clamp and you start turning so that your cream come out completely big. Are you excited to try tonight?
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Oh, it's quite big, in size.
Yeah, I know, right? It's quite huge,
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Mine is this
What is this?
AirPods Pro 3 casing.
I see, I
yeah,
see.
because here you go, it's quite big.
It's quite cute, eh?
Quite cute.
What is this? This is the edamame, is it?
It's so big, but your bag is so small.
Okay, I don't know. I didn't expect it to be this size. Okay, but okay. Oh, it's matcha. It's like a matcha
Oh.
croissant. I don't know.
Hey, you don't know what you buy, sis.
It's
Inside a Momo's workshop.
Oh, he interested. That is the next for you to open. Okay, I bought this like container for my new cupboard. Like I need to put my brushes and all. Yeah, right. Okay, your turn. What is this?
Oh my gosh, okay, so this is one of something I was looking forward to quite a bit because I came across when I was shopping Taobao lah. Then they actually apparently it went viral because of their sponge. It's like a foundation puff or like, you know, powder puff they sell lah. Then yeah, and it's known to be very good lah in terms when you put your foundation makeup. So I think it's very cute. So I bought some for my friends also.
Am I one of your friends?
Yeah, you can see which one you want.
Am I? Really? Am I one of your friends?
I'm
I'm one of your friends!
So I was thinking, oh, it's also quite a good gift also. Yeah, you can try.
Okay, I love to be one of your friends. Cause you should have just tell me to buy, I can buy it on my own. But it's so cute. I love it. I actually saw it online.
Hey, it's all good.
I saw like
I think it went
this
viral.
person who washed a bunch of sponge and then like he have a lot of this.
Yeah, but anyway, yes, this brand Momo's Workshop. I think it's from China. Yes.
Okay. Oh, this is cute. I got them like lashes. So I watched like some online influencer that talk about this brand of lash. So I last minute got it and it arrived immediately. It's like wu jiao, so it means you don't need glue. It's like pre-bond lash. I tried some from, I always use Hana Dolly actually, but I tried some from TikTok shop. It doesn't work so well. So let's try another brand from Taobao.
This is like a slim compression socks. Yes. So
Why
I
do you
think
need your legs so skinny?
Compression
no,
socks.
it's a bit like I don't know. I just saw it, then I was like thinking, okay, I need if this is long, I was thinking, okay, can just get it, you know, if I want to wear it with the boots. But secondly, I think it's also to exercise. When you exercise, you wear it. They say it's better.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh, why not?
You exercise, man?
And next.
Next. Okay, what did I buy? Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, I know. This is to put my battery. Oh my god, I swear, right, there's this like China influencer, right? She actually had this like card for her to put her battery. I thought that is a good idea to put your battery in here so that our battery don't like lie left and right. So I got it. It's a bit waste of space, but you see, you can put it on top like beer.
This is two. One of it is a white tank top. The other one is a white blouse. So that's
Hey,
it.
my scissors. Oh, these extra lashes from another brand. This one is slightly more like thicker, like more volume kind, and they give free tweezer. I love pre-born lashes these days. Today I didn't wear any lashes, so my eyes look like dead fish. Oh, you bought jeans?
No, I think it's a
romper.
romper. Yes. Okay, because I always feel right. Here in Singapore quite expensive. So I was thinking, okay, get a denim romper. Can't remember actually, but I think
You're
less than
just
30.
gonna wear these only. Nothing inside.
No lah, must wear something like that. I think it's quite big eh.
It's
Must
like a
wear
pants.
Yeah, it's like a pants.
It's like a pants. I think it's quite huge. Can you measure your neck?
Hey, wear something inside.
I'm sure
It's
you
double
can
layer,
wear
very
it.
hot eh.
Like here, like here.
It's quite thin.
Go.
Yeah.
No, actually you can wear the. I got a black tank top. Maybe you want to try it. Maybe you can fit. Nice. Oh, this. Okay, dude. I saw my friend actually has it, and she said she buy from Taobao. So I decided to get one also. It's so pretty, oh. And it's quite affordable. It's less than $10. Yeah, it's really quite pretty. Don't tell me I have 101 necklace. I don't want to hear that. Nice.
101 necklace.
Goodbye, because John say it's nice.
What's this?
Looks like a black t-shirt.
Pants. Is it pants?
Oh yeah, pants. Okay.
Hey, sorry, I cut out her shopping cart.
Looks a bit big,
Wow.
but let's see.
What
I
is
think it's too long.
Can. It has a waist.
I think it's too long eh.
Too long. You can use your new kiap kiap.
Yeah, but anyway, yeah, it's I think it's a bit
I
like a
think it's my-
joggers, but a cargo pants or whatever.
You know has the
For
what? or not?
aeroplane ah, not bad.
Hey, okay that has this. You can pull. It has this thing, so can pull. Not bad, not bad,
Oh, not bad.
Not bad.
not bad.
Let's see.
Okay.
Not bad.
Okay, let's see what did I get next. Yeah, I also got what is this? I got top eh? I didn't buy a thing. I didn't buy top eh.
I don't think I bought this also. Okay, maybe I bought this. No, maybe.
You write his full name.
Yeah, then maybe I bought this.
Is this your missing parcel?
Maybe. This is your missing parcel. Okay, you know what?
Then
Later we go and tally up.
Is it
Yeah, so
found meh?
she
I
has
thought
a missing parcel. So probably we found.
I think maybe it's this.
Maybe it's this.
not bad.
Since
One is the
I.
last one already, ah.
Huh, yours last one?
Last one already.
How come I still have so many?
So who bought more?
I bought 3 more, I think.
Oh yay!
Sister!
I bought so many. I didn't wash hair already. Okay. Okay, last one.
You hold out the whole
I bought
box.
like
Oh my god, put nearer.
dry shampoo. Yeah, so this is very good. This brand is very good.
You really not want a shower or something?
This you need for your fringe.
I have, mine is the head kind. I don't use this kind. Okay, so my last item. Okay, cool. This one. This is like a keyboard. So it's you just have to wirelessly connect to the keyboard. And it can connect to multiple devices, so I got it. Let's see whether is it good. And Ina tell me to get this one instead of the smaller one because she say that this quality looks better. Let's trust her. Next one. I told you already, a lot of my item is very small. Actually, I did bought like undies. Let's see, is this undies? I think this is the undies. Oh, this is my little undies. Okay, I'm not gonna show you, but it's like cute. Yeah. And their undies like quite good and it's quite like affordable, so I got it. Okay, next, I think this is also undies. Not that my life missing undies, but then I just buy. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is to. Shit. I actually bought this for my.
Oh yes,
for my brushes.
Right. Yeah.
To put in my cupboard, but then I bought that also.
No, that was what I asked you. I was like, you bought no, but you say it's all never understand. Okay, I don't know.
Never mind, it's okay.
She'll find a way.
Yes, this one to bring it out, then put in my cupboard. Okay. Because I just need something to stand to put my brushes, but then I forgot that I gotten this. Okay, next.
Oh yeah, means my items all came. Okay, yes.
Okay, this is John's item. So me and John has this couple account called John and Tiffy. Please like, share, subscribe. And he decided to upgrade his content game by buying 2 mics.
Oh shit.
The
Yes,
mic is here. It's black color, by the way.
oh shit.
When I saw her card, I was like, oh wow, you finally decide to sing at home ah. It's John, it's John.
It's John, because we have a mic and he said the bass is not good enough, so he got extra mic. And last but not least, this is a repeat buy because my dear Ina came to my house and she said she can fit and she decided to buy it from my house. Same thing as what she actually had. A boots. I think this boots is damn freaking cool. So basically you can take out this portion, right? And it becomes like a short boot. Like damn, it is so creative, and because you take like pictures from afar, right? No one can see that it's a short boots to a long boot. I tell you, A for creativity, ready. I think it's like, wow, have a look. Damn son. So
Yeah.
that's the end of our Taobao haul. How much you spend actually?
No. I spent about 159.
159? That's a lot eh. So I spent about 100-ish also.
This mic can just salty.
The 120.
Ooh.
And that's the end of our Taobao vlog. Make sure you
Like, share, subscribe.
and see you in the next one. Bye! You need to cover the lens. That's not my job scope anymore.